Widely known for its breathtaking scenery, Canterbury hosts an incredibly diverse range of landscapes. From the ocean to the Alps, the unique braided rivers to backcountry lakes, volcanic peninsulas to national parks, we embrace the contrasts. Canterbury really is a special part of the world. Recent earthquakes in Canterbury have changed the physical landscape forever, but of equal significance is the changing social and economic landscape of a region boasting world-renowned exports in the dairy, meat, seafood, wine, agriculture, forestry and seed sectors. Unsurprisingly, Canterbury has emerged as a globally recognised innovation hub for agribusiness, agritech and research. Canterbury has so much to offer, but as the largest region in New Zealand and experiencing arguably the most significant changes environmentally, we also have so much to protect. Canterbury is currently facing both local biosecurity threats as well as nationally significant threats. But as a resilient bunch, we are committed as ever to tackling these issues, utilising science and innovation. NETS 2020 will be hosted in Ōtautahi, Christchurch. Internationally known as the Garden City, Christchurch City is alive with culture, atmosphere and world-class attractions, all underpinned by a community that has risen from the rubble. It's a city that truly embraces the changing seasons as it has embraced its changing landscapes. In July 2020, you can ski, bungee jump, hike, rock climb, jet boat, fish, hunt, mountain bike, golf and surf if you're keen. You can see rare species such as whales, dolphins and seals. Visit national parks, wineries, gardens, shops and world-class eateries, all within 2 hours of Christchurch. Ōtautahi Christchurch has always been a place of exploration, a place where the status quo is challenged and new ideas are celebrated. Come and join us for NETS 2020 and help us shape the changing landscape of biosecurity.